today we're going to take a look at Command of Nature. This is by the same company that made Unstable Unicorns. As you can tell, I haven't played this game, but I did buy it because the artwork looks nice, and their other games were pretty promising, so I'm hoping this one is as well. Oh, so there's nothing on the side, it's just white. Sometimes like games have like designs on the side. Oh, the rulebook looks nice. And there's a whole stack of like boards. So the coins, the elements. Oh, 1 to 3. Shield, and up arrow, and an X. Oh, they're also 3 on the back. Command of Nature. Gravel, the pebble sage. Oh, I'm supposed to open it. Oh, it's a book. It's like a book. That's cool. Oh, I think I want to play the mole. He's so cute. And we have Torrent, the droplet sage. Oh, the frog is cute too. Porella, the leaf sage. Is that a... I don't think that's a cat, but I don't know what animal that is. Cheddar, the twig sage. And a ram or goat? Again, I don't know my animals. Wait, what are these slots for? Oh, for these tokens. For some reason I thought it was going to be for dices, but there's no dice in this game. Oh, this is so cute, the way they packaged it. So we have Pebble, Droplet, Elemental Market Deck, Twig, Leaf, and Command Market Deck. I don't think... Yeah, of course there's not. Alright, we're gonna take a look at the sages first, starting with my favorite. Here we have Gravel, Geoweasel, Onyx Bearer, Granite Rampart, Cobble, Jade Titan, Boulder Hide Brute. This just looks like the other game, like the beer, but like with armor now. Oxen Avenger, Far Strike, Close Strike, Pebble Charm, and Natural Restoration. Okay, this is Torrent's deck. Riptide Tiger, River Rogue. Oh, it's a platypus. Coastal Coyote, Dribble. That's cute. The artwork is so cute. Tide Churner, King Crustacean, Frostfall Emperor, Far Strike, Close Strike, Droplet Charm, and Natural Restoration. Here we have Proella's deck, Thorn Fencer, Petal Mage, Botanic Fangs, Sprout, Agile Assailant, Bog Blight, Komodokin, Far Strike, Close Strike, Leaf Charm, and Natural Restoration. My bad, guys. I know I said cheddar earlier, but this is cedars. Quill Thornback, Slumberjack, Acorn Squire, Timber, Vix Vanguard, Horned Hollow, Calamity Leopard, Far Strike, Close Strike, Twig Charm, and Natural Restoration. This is the Elemental Market Deck. So they're all black like the other cards. Willow, Bruce, Lumber Claw, Splinter Stinger, Pine Snapper, Twine Feline, Oak Lumbertron, Camus Chameleon, Wade, Dewey, Splash Basilic, Typhoon Fist, Current Conjurer, Surge Sphere Monk, Whirl Whipper, Roaming Razor, Flint, Rocco, Rocco the Rock, Stone Defender, Cackle Ripclaw, Terrain Tumbler, Rune Puma, Redstone, Ruby Guardian, Mush, Hubert, Forage Thumper, Shrub Beetle, Iguana Guard, Humming Herald, Bamboo Berserker, and Moss Viper. This is the Command Market deck. Projectile Blast, Distant Double Strike, Primitive Strike, Magic Ether Strike, Focus Fury, Reinforced Impact, Nature's Wrath, Farsight Frenzy, Exchange of Nature, Elemental Swap, Obliterate, Elemental Incantation, Natural Defense, Melee Shield, Range Barrier, and that's it. Last but not least, we have the Rulebook. Glory awaits the Master of the Elements. Oh look, they're all in harmony until the Fire Nation attacked.
Oh, brother!
Okay, I'm sorry, that was a bit cringy. What's in the box? How to start? Well, let me know what you guys think of this game. Have you played it? Or if not, would you like me to do a review on this? And if you want to support my channel, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.